Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming capability and access. First, make sure your TV or streaming device actually supports HDR and is updated. This matters because HDR settings won't appear otherwise. Once done, open the Netflix app and sign into the profile you'll use because playback settings are profile-specific. Keep your remote handy and ensure HDMI is in the TV's HDR-capable port, so you can change inputs and menus without interruption. You now go into the TV or streaming device picture options to switch HDR off. This is where Netflix respects the display's signal. Find HDR, Dolby Vision, or HLG toggles and turn them off, or switch the picture mode to standard, which forces SDR processing. If your device has HDR tone mapping, disable it so the signal converts to SDR. After making these changes, exit to the home screen and restart the Netflix app so the new display mode is recognized. To finish, play a known HDR title and verify the HDR badge doesn't appear and the image looks less contrasty. This confirms success. If HDR persists, switch HDMI ports or use a different high-speed cable, or enable PC/standard input mode on the TV to force SDR. Finally, power cycle both devices, update firmware and the Netflix app, and try again. If problems remain, the display may force HDR at hardware level, which requires manufacturer settings or support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.